Breaking news, everybody. Breaking news. We have breaking news on Chili de Castro, otherwise known as Delete Laws. Breaking news. Are you ready for this? Everybody, it's breaking news. We have to cover it. We have to cover Delete Laws, every single move. Are you ready for this breaking news story? We have a breaking news story of Chili de Castro, everybody. We're going to promote the shit out of this guy. We're going to totally put him up on a pedestal and give him all the attention that he needs. Every channel, every YouTube, every move he makes. Are you ready, folks? This is breaking news. A breaking news story of Delete Laws. Are you ready, everybody? Are you prepared to unsubscribe because you do not like my sense of humor? Here it is, Chili de Castro's breaking news. So there it is, our breaking news story. Chili took 5 steps to his right. I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Hit a like, thumbs up, unsubscribe, whatever you feel like. But we had to show you this, every single move that this guy makes. He made an extraordinary walk. 5 steps, everybody. He made 5 steps to his right. What was he talking about? Don't know. Don't care. Have I ever cared? No. Don't find him interesting at all. But the 5 steps, everybody. He made 5 steps to his right. We have to cover him. Every single channel must continue to do everything they can to show that he can walk 5 steps to his right, everybody. And he did it in mud as well. I mean, come on. We got to give it up to this guy. We've got to give him more coverage. We've got to keep talking about this guy constantly. We need 35 videos a day and a whole bunch of talented people wasting their time boring the fuck out of me with their constant coverage. I hope everybody enjoyed the 5 steps to the right. I think it's compelling footage. It's probably the most compelling thing that has ever happened with Chili de Castro. We have to cover it. We have to continuously bring this guy up. We have tried not to give this guy all this free promotion and cover him because we cover other scumbags. We cover more important scumbags that everybody else is too afraid to cover. But Chili de Castro, man, that was 5 steps to the right, and he did it. He did it in the rain, people. He did it in the rain. Come on, man. This is some excellent footage, man. This is some excellent breaking news on Chili de Castro. We have got to have more. More, please. Ring the bell for notifications. Unsubscribe if you don't get my sense of humor. And go and complain about it in somebody else's chat about how I'm ripping on people who have to cover Chili. Your shit is boring. He's boring. He's boring.